等一下，先不要放手，地震。哦，超夸张的。
这个有7级了吧？
超过了。还在震哦，等一下。
Whoa, a frantic scene with endless shouting. A 6.8 magnitude quake hit a 1,000-meter tall mountain in Taiwan while a family was camping. Everyone paused in silence, waiting for the outcome, and I felt anxious too.
सो अरे भगदड़ मत करो.
A landslide happened close to Josim, India, making a huge mountain fall onto the road. There were many people standing near debris, which was highly hazardous. Shocking landslide at a coal pit in northern China. It buried much equipment as if a quake had just struck.
Tiếp chạy tồn này. Đừng quay hồn lại đâu. Không phải phát trực tiếp đâu.
This is a rare occurrence before Super Typhoon Yagi struck land in Vietnam, causing severely harsh ruin. Strange, right? This is a blue blubber jellyfish, a species that dwells mostly in southern Australia. Its shade looks stunning. What a shame the home crumbled swiftly into the gorge amid the historic flood in Connecticut, USA. This is a flash flood that suddenly struck with an incredibly quick force. Yet why is this man still calmly filming the scene? I can't grasp it. This man was truly lucky to capture this unusual and rare shining fish. Oh my god, a 30-foot sinkhole suddenly showed up in the middle of a football field in Alton, a city in the United States. Luckily, no one was present.